Another thrifty Thursday at Hoodoo. It's a beautiful day. 8:50 a.m. Let's get it, guys.
Wow, buddy. On that.
Starting the day off right! Woo! Sorry about that. Hitting about noon. Been here for a few hours.
Yeah.
Getting some good falls, getting some good lines, getting some good tricks.
Yes, sir.
About to meet up with Fraley.
Yeah, and get some free glizzies soon.
Oh, free glizzies in
Yes,
about
sir.
an hour.
Yes, yeah. And free goggle bags.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with glizzies and goggles, man.
Yeah, goggle covers. You know.
We'll check back
Good
in
old
with y'all
Hoodoo.
soon.
Thank you very much, guys.
Tell your friends.
Free sticker.
Cool, man. You did goggle cover too. Keep your goggles clean. Use it to clean your GoPro lens.
Oh yeah. Let's see what we get.
Free face gear, nice.
Face gear.
Whoa! Would you like a hood or a tube? These are our new products. And this would go on, you know, this is just a regular like neck tube.
Okay. Could I get one of these ones?
Yeah, which one do you like?
The red one.
Yeah, man, these are fresh.
Hell yeah, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Out here.
Let's fucking go. Met up with Fraley. Let's go, buddy. That was fucking lit! Woo! Fuck yeah!
There's some gnarly around that bitch, bro. I surprised myself on that little bit.
Let's see some shit, guys.
Justin just took me the fuck out. Justin, he's all, oh, you could have went farther. Send it! Send it! Come on. This is gonna be fun to edit.
Yeah, right?
What is happening?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Jet.
You come hauling ass! Holy shit.
Fucking pack.
God damn! That's tragic. You guys gotta do that again. That looks sick as fuck. But I couldn't get through the fucking people, dude. God fucking. Yoo-hoo! Yoo! Oh. Yeah. Yo, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go.
Fresh tracks?
That's where. Savage. Let's go. I can do it. I'm not a pussy.
Is that it, really?
All you gotta do is just not run into that last.
No. You got it.
I can't fucking turn, boy. Good footy.
We managed to make it through the day.
Another successful day.
Unscathed for the most part.
Yes, sir. It was actually one of the best days I've had this season so far.
Oh, yeah.
Personally.
Really nice bluebird day. Met up with Anthony and the hoodie Cody? Cole. Shout out Cole, bro. Fucking send her on the skis.
Yeah.
Usually we don't like the skiers, but
First ski homie.
first ski homie.
It's pretty cool. He's alright. He's alright.
Let's go. All right. Well, we'll head back to Eugene and then we'll see you guys next time.